Okay, it's Cheryl and Marissa. Sorry we haven't been here for a while. I mean, we kind of deleted our old videos, so we didn't like them. So we're gonna make new ones. The updated beige pants are for losers. So, in celebration of this, we're gonna go explore my fridge. Let's see what's in there. Let's go. Come on. Running through the living room.
Dining room.
Whoops. This. Turn on the light. See the marvel? You could just watch this for hours. Look, that's me. Oh. Look, there is a half-drunk fruit.
Alcohol. More alcohol.
Some cabbage. That's good, I guess. Fruit.
One egg all by itself.
But then there's more.
Why is it all by itself?
It's probably my
It has no home. It has no home. I'm an egg.
There's no other eggs.
Don't break the egg. Don't break me. I just want to live.
What do you call this?
That would be avocado.
I'm gonna leave the camera in here for a little bit.
Okay, bye guys. Have fun. I want to know what happens. We actually want to see if the light actually does go off when you shut the fridge.
Okay.
So you tell us. Did the light turn off?
I don't know.
Did the light go off?
I don't know. We'll have to go check.
Bye-bye.